This is Tangia attempting to get into a pose. Yeah, this is
Okay, wait, hold on, wait, I got you. There you go. Boy, get that! I'm not.
She's so uncomfortable.
sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it.
She looks uncomfortable. She does.
Yeah.
There you go. So you got off the chair. It was a hard part getting her own. You can sit on the arm of the chair.
Tangie, you got it. You got to sell this product,
Boy, if you
Tangie.
don't sit down somewhere.
Sell it, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, there you go. Look over the shoulder. That was cute, too.
Maybe you want to dye the hair down just a little bit, like in the back a little bit.
This is our stylist person for today. Yeah, I had to put on the camera.
Oh,
That's Monique doing the stylist. You know, Tangi's been working hard. She's sweating now.
Little sweat, it never hurt nobody. If I catch this on YouTube.
Oh, man, what you mean? As soon as I get 3G back, it's going on Facebook. Oh, nah, it's all good. It's still going on Facebook. Cut.